Son of man, what seest thou? Obadjofwe, ubedwane, hey, you go boot. Greetings. My name is Rabbi Akwetey Amaah, your host for What Seest Thou? A show that will revolutionize how we study the biblical text. I am the founder of Kingdom of Kings Academy Worldwide. As a child, I took to the study of the Bible and I quickly fell in love with its depth, engaging narratives, nuances, and difficulty. I set a goal as a young adult to one day write a commentary on the whole Bible, which till date, I have written quite a few. During my many years of meticulously examining the biblical text as an academic discipline, teaching and writing, I came across narratives, chapters, passages, verses, which were puzzling, and characters whose actions were somewhat mind-boggling, requiring one to demystify. Over the years, I have compiled a list of these nuances and difficulties in the biblical text, resolved them, and today I am presenting them to you to see how you also resolve these issues. Thus the birth of the show, What Seest Thou? This is how it works. In season 1, I'm going to present, in a form of questions, 4 very tricky and difficult nuances. Each question has a price tag chosen by the difficulty level of the question. After the question has been presented, you will have 2 weeks to try and come up with a solution or an answer. The individual or group that comes up with an accurate answer or a convincing possible solution wins the advertised price tag. You can send your answers via WhatsApp or email. It can be written, audio, or video. To join the show, however, you have to make your way to the show's page to register for free. Anyone can participate. As I stated earlier, this show will revolutionize how we study the biblical text. So, son of man, what seest thou?